is Monica serving. On the hit out,
Siyempre po sobrang happy na nakabalik na kami sa finals. Actually, for group talaga to sa finals. Kasi UNC naman, na 2 conference talaga is grabe yung ginawa niya. This kind of 2 conference, sabi na namin, the team building, para kay group yung finals na to. Pero ayun nga, nagtulong-tulong kami na makuha namin yung finals na to. Also, na-center namin, sila Chi, Chengi, binigyan namin ng kumpiyansa talaga. Kami as a Miss Fighter and also yung may coaching na yung mga dapat namin gawin sa short term.
Thank you. And for Brooke, as mentioned, this is for you. This is your first final experience. How does it feel being able to choose?
Yeah, no, it feels very surreal. I mean, it's been a very long conference, and there's a lot of ups and downs, and to be where we are right now is amazing. And I wouldn't want to do it with any other team, and I'm so glad that my teammates, they're there for me at all times, and they're just a group of wonderful girls, and on and off the court, just awesome people, and I'm really excited to share this experience with them, just going to the finals and everything. So yeah, I'm ecstatic. I think this is awesome.
Yeah. Thank you. And for she, earlier this year you mentioned when I was small to get that championship, and now you're 1 step or 2 steps closer to that one. How does it feel like that? As a championship round?
Sobrang happy kasi lahat naman kami teams dito sa PBL, pangarap ng mag-champion. So, dito kami, pinagtrabahuan namin ng maayos, pinaghirapan. So, kami yung pinalad, sinuwerte. So, gagawa namin ito ng para tatapusin namin ng maayos.